Help commands. Now, what are the help commands um, that are used in a Linux environment that will give you some of the information or some help about other commands? Uh, there are three types of help command that are used in most of the Linux distributions. The first one is what is. So whenever you run a command what is followed by the command that you want to inquire about, you will run what is and space then command. This will give you a quicker, a shorter version of the information about the command that you're looking for. The next one we have is the command, whichever command you want to run, let's say ls space and then dash dash help. This will give you a little, a bigger, a longer version of the help with more details about that, the options about that command. And the last one is man, which stands for manual. Man space followed by the command name itself. When you run that, you will get a complete full listing of the command descriptions to help about it. So now let's look at our Linux machine and we'll see how these commands work. So we are here in our Linux machine. Let's do the clear and we will find out who we are. Again, who am I? We are ourselves. You type clear. The first command that we learned we're going to run is what is. It's all one word, space, let's say ls. This will tell you the ls is list the directory contents. The next one we'll run is what is cd. That's what tells you the bash built-in command. The cd is a bash built-in command, meaning when you have your Linux system installed, it comes in as pre-built command. And what it does, it changes the working directory from one directory, of course, to another. Well, let's try the same command to what is pwd. Tells you print name of current working directory, return working directory name. So why do we have two different answers for one command? Is because we have two different sources or two different dictionary already installed, or you could say two different manual pages installed on our Linux distribution. There could be more, there could be 2, 3, 4, or 5, depending on what type of command it is and what kind of description it has. Let's look at the next command. Let's say ls dash dash help. See, there you go. It gives you a little longer description of your ls command, and it tells you all the different options that are associated with ls command. So of course right here, that's where it starts and it goes all the way down. It tells you -a option, uppercase option, and so on. We could also run chmod dash dash help. Now remember, chmod command is the change mod command which change the permission of a file. So when we do help, we're gonna see it tells you, gives you quick description starting from here. It tells you that change the mod of each file to that RF file, change the mod of each file to mode, and a few different options. Same thing, you run this command with other different commands, space dot help. It will give you the information about that command. Now the last one we're going to look at is the man command. Man stands for manual and then space, let's say ls. When you run this command, there you go, it will give you a very nice descriptive way, a nice formatted way of the user command information. It tells you the name, the synopsis, the description, and each option of that command. You could do space to go on each page, hit spacebar every time you want to quit out, just hit Q and you're going to be out of it. Same thing when you do a man command and then pwd, you do enter and you're going to see the exact same thing. pwd, print name of the current working directory and what other options it has. My favorite command in all those help commands is this man command, because it has exactly the information, the detailed information of each command.